not regular. I'm talking takes for better.
Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Lulu. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you are returning to watch yet another video, welcome back. And on this channel I post beauty and lifestyle vlogs. So yeah, today's another vlog. As some of you may know, I start my vlogs on a Friday. I'm on my way to get a belly piercing. I really don't know if I'm gonna end up going or not. I'll see, because yo guys, I'm really scared of piercings. I've been wanting to get one for a very long time, but I've just never really got to it. It was just one of those things that I'd be like, I'll do it. And then I think I said I was gonna do it in June. One of the reasons I wouldn't get one is because I would always make up excuses like, it's hot, it's not gonna get enough time to heal because I must get pierced in June when it's cold, so it's gonna heal quickly. One of those things. So I never really got around to it. So today's the day where I go and get my belly pierced. Oh guys, an update. Okay, update is I got another light. It's not a ring light, it's a panel light. Is it a panel light? Yeah, it's a panel light. Let me show it to you guys. So this is a panel light that I got. Is it a panel light? What is this called actually? Before I start saying things I know nothing about. Actually, it doesn't really say anything. It just says photography lights. But yeah, I think people call it a panel light. I got this at China Mall in Josie. Right when you open it, that's what it looks like. And then it's the power thing, and then it's the remote over here. This is the panel light. It doesn't feel like it's strong, but the light this gives off is amazing. Yeah, so that is the thing. And then so it comes with a tripod, and that's what the tripod looks like. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this I got from Shein. I showed this to you guys on one of my previous vlogs. And then I'm wearing this set from Ambassadors for You. I'm wearing the slides that I got last week from Cotton On in Atterbury. Half piece, guys, it's hot, hence the outfit. I got the panel light at Dragon City, and while I was there I also picked up a perfume that I've been wanting to get for quite a while. It is called Ajwad. Ooh, it's getting lax, guys. It smells amazing, and look how premium it looks. It's gold komoraho, and then mopele mo is so. Oh, like I'm put it oh guys, wow. Okay, and then this is 60 ml. Is it 60? I'm not sure. This perfume is one of the best perfumes from Lattafa. I think this one I put camera first, and then this one is like right next to camera. So this one is the second one, and the purple one, the one that I like using, amethyst. Okay, we are level 3. Love this perfume, Kesanas. Let's go. It is getting late, guys, and I still have to pick up my mom.
It's not regular. I'm talking takes for better.
I don't regret it because the experience was amazing. The service was great. The customer service there was amazing. I don't regret it. I'm actually thinking of going there to do a cover up tattoo for the tattoo that I have on my stomach. So yeah, we're definitely going back to Zuko's piercings. We're now in the basement parking. It was quite dark, so we're now off to pick up my mom. Zuko's piercing is in Headfield Plaza. Hey guys, so it is what time is it? It's Saturday, but it's later on. I was honestly not feeling in the best of spirits today. I was actually asleep most of the morning. I think around 12, that's when my sister woke me up, and we started like running her errands the whole day after that. So we came back home around 5, and yeah, so I've been honestly just running my sister's errands for the majority of today. I wasn't feeling good. I wasn't feeling like vlogging. I was just feeling demotivated and just depressed, honestly, in general. I get to why, but today I just wasn't feeling like myself. I just didn't feel like doing anything. I didn't feel like vlogging. I think it's a good thing that my sister actually said that I should cup ahead to do her errands and stuff today. So tomorrow is her birthday. She's doing like a celebration at church, so that's what we're doing now. Vlogging shouldn't be all fun. I should be able to show you guys when I'm down as well. So I should still show up regardless of how I feel, because I feel like I've made a commitment to post a vlog each and every Sunday. So, and we're still in the beginning stages of like growing, you know. That's what happens actually with this channel. That is why it's so inconsistent. It's because the minute it starts picking up, the channel starts picking up, I start slacking. Something happens in my life, whether it's just work or whatever, or I start being busy with other things, I start slacking and I don't post anymore. And then I come back 2 months, 3 months down the line, I'm like, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna stick it through. We're gonna stick it through regardless of how we feel. So yeah guys, I didn't vlog the majority of the day, but tomorrow we're on, guys. Tomorrow we are on. I was supposed to be shooting an Instagram reel today, and then so I'm gonna shoot that tomorrow. I'm gonna try and shoot 2 reels. So now I just have to finish editing the previous video. I'm done, but it's just like final touch-ups, and then I have to upload it. I should have uploaded it by Friday last night, but I don't know, you know what, I get why. And then like outside, because majority of people's vlogs, weekly vlogs or whatever, are going up kasontaha. So we'll see what it lasts. Anyways, he said it can always come out on Monday. Happy guys, energy drink. It is 10 o'clock at night and I'm drinking energy drink. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you are a returning supporter, thank you for coming back to watch yet another video. And if you are watching from outside of the club, why don't you join us by clicking the subscribe button down below. Hello, say hi. Hey guys, so it's I get how many moons later. as I was editing this video, I just realized I don't have an outro for the vlog. So yeah, this is the outro for the vlog. Oh, my hair is just a mess. What do I want to say? Okay, so I haven't been feeling my best, guys. I haven't been okay, like physically and mentally. I just haven't been like sharp, woman. So this vlog has been sitting in my phone for like 2 weeks, and I haven't been uploading anything for the past 2 weeks. So I was like, you know what, let me just continue with what I started. So yeah, this vlog, like, it's just going like this. I mean, this channel rather, it's just going like this, like this. So anyways, guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm coming back to give you guys more content. It's just that sometimes life, guys, has us by the the balls. So even if you don't have any, I'll see you guys in the next video. I already have a vlog. I just need to edit it. This vlog is probably, I'm not sure, it's probably gonna go up Friday, because if I so edit that now, like this very clip, and then yeah. So the next vlog will go up on Sunday. I've already edited it and everything. My hair is a mess. However, my belly piercing is healing up quite nicely. I'm very happy about that. Anyway, I'm rambling. See you guys in the next video. Bye.